Miss Kelly again, and I'm here with my daughter,
Isla,
and I love grade one.
third grade.
Awesome. Okay, so you may watch our other video when we talked about having a family emergency kit, but did you know that everyone needs their own personal emergency kit? Isla, why do poop emojis? Isla, why do you need a personal emergency kit?
Because if you had one to share with your family, then maybe you need a personal one that you could have things that are just you for you, so you weren't crowding around mom, where's my stuff, or because it's just important to have something to yourself.
Your own stuff, right? Yeah, so the family kit has things that you share. You have food for everyone, you have water for everyone, you have emergency blankets, all that sort of stuff. But you also need clothing. And does everyone in the family wear the same size
No,
of clothing or shoes?
no.
No. And you also need something to keep you busy. So if you're going to go 3 days maybe without electricity, then or much else to do, you want your own activities. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to go through Isla's kit. And what Isla and I like to do is on Great Shakeout Morning, which is this year is October 21st, we empty out all the contents of her kit. She gets to keep the clothes that fit and the shoes that fit. You get to keep your activities and your snacks, and then we fill it with new stuff. So it's kind of a fun way to get her in the habit of checking your personal emergency kit. You ready to see what's inside? I don't know if she's seen this yet.
I haven't.
Okay. So here are some snacks. These are non-perishable snacks. Now you have food in your family kit, but that food honestly probably doesn't taste very good. It's meant to be good for a long time. It's not meant to taste good. So you can put some of your favorite non-perishable snacks in your kit. We also have, we have first aid items. So let's look at this. He has medicine that is specific for kids. It says children's medicine travel kit. So if she gets an upset tummy or a fever or something like that, then we have medicine that's just for her, because the family kit has medicine that would work for grown-ups, but not for kids. We also have a mini first aid kit and some Band-Aids that are fun for her, just in case. This is a lot for first aid. So you don't need all this stuff, but it's good to have. And some hand sanitizer. Okay. What else do we have? Shoes.
Shoe. No, just one shoe.
Just one shoe. Okay, I found the other shoe. So it's good to have shoes because, Isla, if things are falling off the walls, falling off shelves, what might there be on the floors?
Shoes.
But what?
Or glass.
Glass. Yeah, so you could wear shoes to protect your feet. So when you're getting shoes for your emergency kit, number one, make sure they have a hard sole and they're closed-toed so that they actually protect your feet if you need to put them on real fast and then get out of the house. Number two, we like to get shoes that are at least a half size up. I usually get one size up. The reason for that is if they're a little bit loose, like let's say you pack your emergency kit in October and then there's an earthquake in March. They might be a little bit loose if you got them too big, but they won't be too tight. Is that right?
Yeah.
Because you can kind of deal with shoes that are a little bit big, but too tight of shoes is going to be uncomfortable walking around in. And then when you open it up in a year on Shakeout Morning, if you didn't have an earthquake and you didn't need it, then your shoes will fit you, right? Okay. We have some personal hygiene items. So in the family kit, it comes with basic toothbrush, toothpaste, all of that. But if you want some specific stuff like children's toothpaste, children's toothbrushes, you would put it in your personal kit. Oh, okay, let's do a fun one. She isn't seen this. This is an activity. When you're packing activities in your personal kit, you want something, I'm going to let the excitement build here. You want something that's going to take a long time, because if you're stuck in the house for 3 days without much entertainment, you're going to want something that's going to take up a long time. Are you excited to see what it is? Yeah. So let's just brainstorm, Isla, about the very many things that you could put in here for an activity. I think markers and paper, better than crayons, because crayons can melt if you have this in a hot place. You getting excited? Or poppets.
Or dimples, or monkey noodles, or fidget
All of those
toys.
fidget toys are great. But for Isla, I have
Legos.
Legos. She loves Legos. Who doesn't love Legos? So that's a good thing. That'll take some time to do in an earthquake. Okay, I have one more fun thing. Should I do it now?
Yes.
Okay, another activity.
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. I like it. It doesn't require water. You're not wasting your water stash. Okay. Now we come to clothes. You're going to want 3 outfits. And it's a good idea to mix up what they are. So maybe some shorts and some pants, long sleeve, short sleeve, because you don't know when an earthquake is going to happen. Is that right? You don't know if it's going to be wintertime or summertime. So get a mix in there. And also, same as for shoes, for clothing, we do one size up. And again, that's because you would rather have it to be a little bit loose than a little bit tight. And when she opens this up on Shakeout Morning, everything should fit her because I packed it a year before with a size up. So I'm not going to take out all of your clothes, but there are some fun ones in there somewhere. I will say though, don't forget the socks and underwear because you're going to want to change those every day.
Socks.
I think we have a few more things in here.
Socks.
Another great way to pass the time is a book. And I usually get a book. I like to get Halloween books because Shakeout is around Halloween time. And assuming you don't need this during the year for an earthquake, then you have a new book. Okay, that's it in this main pocket. Let's go to some more practical things. So Isla, if the lights go out during an earthquake, what might you want to have close by to you? Okay, Isla's reading, so we'll just answer that question. A flashlight. So we have some fun ones here, like this little donut.
Donut.
But I also have a practical one that's also fun, but it's brighter. You can also put glow sticks in here. That would be a great one because then if you take it out, Shakeout Morning, you have them for Halloween. We also have, which we're not
Whistle.
going to demonstrate, is a whistle, just in case you need to signal for help. We're going to put that over there. I'm not giving that to you. You also want to have some cash. So small bills are good. There's a lot of ones on the inside there. So then you don't have to worry about making change. If you go to buy something, cash registers are down, things like that. Anything else? Yeah, so we don't have it in here anymore, but if you're a younger kiddo and you want a comfort item, a favorite blanket, a favorite stuffy,
Maybe a favorite pillow.
favorite
or
pillow.
just like something that you love.
Then you might want to put that in there. If you have any prescription medications that are important, then you would want to put them in here. And it's also a good idea to put some emergency information in here. So you know your parents' cell phone number if you watched our other video about the cell phone song. But you should know or have a list of other phone numbers you may need. So other grownups in your life, your doctor, the fire department, police department, all of that. So you have that handy on you. Any other things you could think of, Isla?
Oh, I know.
Oh, on the side there. That's why I like to use old backpacks for this, because you can just put water bottles there. Okay, what did you want to say?
There's something else like maybe if you're like just an extra thing to do, and you could put in is like something to color or draw, like some pencils and paper. Maybe not paper, maybe like a sketchbook or something, because the paper can get bent.
That's a great idea.
Something to distract you for 3 days.
Yeah, because that's how long it may take for help to arrive. Okay, I think we did pretty good on the personal kits. This is something you can keep near your bed, is a great place, or under your bed, so that if there's an earthquake, you know exactly where to find it. And since you spend, 10 hours a day in bed, there's a decent chance that you'll be in bed during an earthquake. All right, that's it for this video. Make sure to watch our main video with our service project for October to get Wildcat Adventure points. Bye, Ivy.